Thank you, sir.
Make ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. It's clear, hammer down, and holster.
Missed one.
Yeah, it was. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Are you ready? Yep. Stand by. Hit! Miss! Hit! 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 Hit!
Oh wait, 2. Good.
Give me 2 on each. Over. Over. If you're clear, if you're finished, unload your clear, hammer down, holster.
Good, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
All right, guys, so we just got back. 28 out of 40 shooters, not too bad for my first round of a two-gun competition. Definitely need to do a lot of stage planning. Gets you a good idea of how fast you can run your rifle and pistol at the same time. If you have any questions on the loadout and everything, I have a video of going over my AR platform in this video down in the description. And then if you guys want to see some videos on the Walther that I'm using, I can make that as well too. But I have another video coming out pretty soon of me doing another USPSA match of the year. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you guys in the next video.